Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. In this video, you will see how to replace items in the cart with order bump products. This is a great way to increase your average order value by allowing people to upgrade what's in their cart for higher priced products. For example, here in my cart, I have a set of 3 makeup brushes. And if I scroll down, there is an order bump here that is incentivizing me to upgrade my order to a set of 6 makeup brushes, and it will give me a discount of $10. When I go ahead and add this into my cart, if I scroll up, you can see the set of 3 makeup brushes was removed and the set of 6 was added in there. In the second example, I'm selling an online course here to help people build better habits. When they click Get Access, they land on this checkout page, and if we scroll down, we can see that the online course is in our cart. But the order bump down here is upselling customers to get access to the All Access Pass, which gives them access to the Habits Building course along with 4 other courses for a big 50% discount. If we add this into our cart and scroll up, we've now replaced that online course that was in the cart with the product in the order bump, and in doing that, we've been able to increase the order value for this customer from $100 to $250. Let me show you how to set this up. In your WordPress admin area, edit the funnel that you want to add the order bump into. Then click to edit the order bump, and then navigate to products. And then down here under behavior, you want to choose this second option here, replace order bumps with a cart item used for upgrades. So when I select this, you'll see that there's 2 different options here in the drop down. We can replace all the products in the customer's cart with the items in the order bump, or we can just replace specific items in the cart with the order bump products. In this example, I'm going to choose replace specific products, and then here I'm going to search for makeup brushes, and I'm specifically going to find the variant of the 3 brushes. And then with that done, I'll click save, and then I just need to set up some rules here to only show this order bump if the cart items contains at least 1, and then makeup brush, and we'll choose the variant, which is the set of 3 brushes here, and click save. So now on the product page, if I choose the set of 3 brushes and add that to my cart, and then go to the checkout page, we have a set of 3 makeup brushes in our cart. If we go down, that causes the order bump to show this upgrade offer. And if we click this and scroll up, our set of 3 brushes has been replaced with our set of 6 that is in the order bump. As you can see, this is a great way to increase your average order value and make more money as a store owner. Order bumps is just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.